Hi guys, hope you had a good Sunday. So Sundays are for special things. After going to church and chilling at home in the afternoon, I I try as much as possible to treat these guys. If on Sunday we are not eating out, I make something special for them. So today I want us to make homemade French fries or chips. Then I'll make orange juice, some salad, and some sausages. So let me show you what I'm doing. Come along, you can surprise your babies, your family, whoever you want with this kind of a meal. So let's get started. So here already we have our chips cooking. Turn a bit so that they cook evenly. I want them to become crunchy, so we give them time. Yeah, but they are cooking on well. Let's cut our oranges. Remember to take out the seeds so that your juice is not bitter. Our salad is ready. This is just simple salad. I've just put some carrots and cabbage and sprinkled some lemon juice. We'll have our sausages. I'll just deep fry them. And we'll have our supper ready, guys. So let's go ahead and blend the juice. I want some sugar and water to this. These are ready, very crunchy. Let's take them out. Try to drain as much oil as possible. In the microwave. Now I just want to deep fry them. Wow, there's some water. Please move. This thing will burn me. Here are our sausages. So here we want some sugar. I think that is enough. And some water. Then we put our lid on. Then we blend. So you sieve our juice.
Professional. I play for EH.
There is our juice. So see, this is the final result. Our French fries or sausage or salad. Then we serve ourselves a glass of juice or a juice. And we have a delicious dinner. So try this.
Today my mom has made some French fries, some cabbage, and some sausage. So
That's called salad, not cabbage.
So I'll be trying one of her fries. It's very delicious, and it has a good amount of oil. The cabbage is very good, and it has a pinch of salt. The sausage was good. It tastes like a little beefy, and the oil has been a lot of texture. Thank you. Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. We cooked today chips, sausage, and salad. And
Taste. Taste and tell us how it is. So crunchy, right? Try the sausage. How is it?
good.
Salad.
I can put this one.
Is it good?
Yeah, lemon and
Yeah. Try the juice now. How is it?
good.
So good, right?
Yeah.
So guys, try this recipe. It's very simple, no complications at all. And our French fries. It's a wonderful combination. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like, share, comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Let's continue supporting each other. And we'll go very, very far. Yeah. And our juice. Perfect. So try this. Let me and comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you've been able to do. So that is it guys for today. Bye. See you in another video.